So I'm gonna lay my white towel out here. The same thing that I use on my wig, my natural hair I use on my wigs, Ozzy Moist shampoo, Ozzy Moist conditioner, Ozzy Moist 5-minute detangling. My shampoo, y'all, I had that in the wrong clip. Okay, so I'm going to brush this wig out. And then I'm going to rinse her. Ozzy Moist, we're going to take 3 pumps. Here. Turn it out on the blaze. Switching products now. I'm gonna take my Dawn dish soap. This is just as good as clarifying. Y'all, now I'm gonna do conditioner. Just to make sure I bring that softness back to my weave. Because I don't want it all crunchy from being dried out from the dish detergent. Last but not least, my detangling conditioner. My deep conditioner. Like that. Get it all throughout the hair. And we're gonna leave that in there for 5 minutes and then I'll be. Give a damn what you talking about. Put my wig on my mannequin head. The flaps right there. A lot of body. My good old trusty. Just squirt her on the head. This down. So y'all, I had to switch to voiceover because I'm on the phone right now on this clip in these clips. So I'm just combing out the mousse that I put on my head, and then I'm just gonna start to clip up the sections the way I like to. Now with my bob, it's a very simple flat ironing process. It's nothing too fancy, nothing too high price. I just section the hair off into like 6 to 7 sections depending on how I feel. Now at the back, I use the small flat irons, and then once I get to the top, I start moving to the big flat irons. I do not do the comb chase method on bobs because there's no point because the hair is so short. If I use enough oil, hair shine, and turn the flat irons always all the way up, the bob always turns out good no matter what the hair is. I feel like if you're prepping, shampoo, condition, deep conditioning wigs properly, sometimes you don't have to do like all of the extra comb chase method. You don't have to do the extra shampoo. Not the shampoo, the extra oils and stuff like that. You could just go straight in and flat iron it. But because this wig is 2 years old, over 2 years old, she has been through a lot. She has track slipping. She has a lot. But I'm not getting rid of her because the hair quality on this batch of hair that my vendor sent me was amazing. I also let them know that every single time I wash the hair, I'm like, this bob wig still looks great. So after I'm done flat ironing, I move to the lace closure. The lace closure is probably my most tedious part because it involves 3 different hot tools, my flat irons, and then I use my wand curlers to smooth out the top, and then my Sebastian Shaper Plus for my flyaways. And after I do like the perimeter of the lace closure of the closure, that's when I put the bob wig onto my head. I just use the flat irons and the wand curlers on this part. But then once I put the wig on my head, I use my flat irons, hot comb, and my flat iron and my wand curlers. So first I go in with the hot comb just to push the hairline back. Y'all, why do I have multiple bald spots in this wig now? Why do I not get the point of just getting a new wig? But I don't want to. I don't want to make a new bob wig because this one was so perfect. Like perfect, perfect, perfect. And I just didn't want to get rid of it. So yes, the lace closure is normally my most tedious part because I like to take my time. I like to make sure things are like evened out smoothly and it looks good. um, but yeah, my middle part, it was some serious, and I was just like, do I have a bald spot in my wig? Like this is when I started to realize I had a bald spot. Yep, I had a bald spot. So if I want a middle part, I'm gonna have to go back and black spray that thing on down. So yeah, I just moved the part over to like a side part. It wasn't really that deep because if I would have went over a little bit more, it was another bald spot right there. But your girl made it work. I'm not installing the wig in this video. I'll be installing it in another video and doing my makeup as well because this is normally the wig I wear to drill, but I am going to wear this out just, to go out with friends and stuff. So yeah, this is the final look. You got like the bob. This is part one of three of maintenance to my three wigs that I have currently. I don't plan on making any more or buying any more new wigs. I'm just gonna keep these three in rotation. I just need these as protective styles for right now until I get braids. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.